back a bit.
I'm looking forward to this again, Jim. I didn't expect that at all. I'm very fortunate I've got earplugs in, so I really can't hear how loud that helicopter is. But my God, it's still quite loud with these helicopters, these earplugs. There he comes, roaring to the winch. And man, you'll be able to see all the smoke from the clear air blowing away and everything like that. And under all the counting down umbrellas going left, right, centre. You really feel that wind, isn't it, Tony?
Yeah, you really do, don't you?